Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can sign up for the Walmart affiliate program. Now this is very simple and easy to do, so make sure you watch this video right until the end so that you don't miss any steps. So the first thing you will want to do is just head over to Google and just type in Walmart affiliate program. And you just want to look for the first non-sponsored link, which would be this one here. And when you click on this, you'll be taken to this page here where we can actually learn a bit about the Walmart affiliate program. So it says the fastest approval process, sign up and get started within a day, connect your audience to products they love, and then get profit, maximize your earnings and leverage your network following their transparent commission rate tables. No curveballs. So you can scroll through this page and just read up about it if you want. However, when you are ready to sign up, we just want to go ahead and click this blue button here which says sign up. From there, we'll be taken to this page and we just have to fill out a bit of information about ourselves. So I'm just going to do that now. So you just want to put your first name in here and your last name in here. And then here you just want to put in your email. And then from here, you just want to create a username. So I'm just going to put something like that. And then you just want to enter in your password. And then once you've done that, you want to go ahead and click this blue button here which says next. So once you've clicked next on that, you'll be taken to this page here, where we just have to fill out a bit more information about ourselves. So the first one will be our account display name. So just put whatever name you want in here to be on your Walmart account. So I'm just going to put the same as last time. And then next up, we have to actually add in our website. So here's where you're going to put in your website or blog or YouTube channel for which you will promote the products on. So make sure you put that link in here. But since I've got a YouTube channel, I can just copy my link to YouTube here. And then I could head back to this page and just paste it in there, and that's all good. Next up, I'm just going to put in a street address. So I'm just going to put in a random one, but obviously you want to put in the correct one for yourself. And next up, you just want to put in your time zone. So I'm from UK, so it should be somewhere around here, London. And then you just want to put in your currency also. And then once you're happy with all these details, you just want to click next. Now next up, I'm just going to ask a bit about where we will be promoting and our methods. So the main promotional method, you just want to select whichever one is applicable to you. But since I make YouTube videos and could do reviews on my channel, I'm just going to choose content/reviews. And then secondary promotional method, we just want to choose one of these as well. So I'm just going to put something like search engine marketing. And then under promoting countries, you want to choose which countries you typically promote to. So a fair bit of my audience is from USA, so I'm just going to choose that and then go ahead and click submit. So once you've done that, you have actually applied for the Walmart affiliate program, because it says now you're all set. Now it's our turn. Hang tight as we review your application and we'll get back to you shortly. So once you have done that, you will have actually applied, and from then you just have to wait for Walmart to accept you into the program. So what they would do from there is actually just look over all the information that you've sent them, and then make sure it's all correct, and then make sure that they do actually want to work with you and that you can drive traffic, etc. And then from there, when you are accepted, you will receive an email to further sign up with Impact. And once you have done that, you will be in the program and you're able to promote Walmart's products via their affiliate program. Now, if we head to this part of the website here where we can read about the FAQ, we can learn a bit more about it. So we can see how much we can actually earn. So it says here, how much can I earn? Affiliates can earn up to 4% on each eligible sale when a customer links directly from a Walmart.com link on your website and completes a qualifying purchase. So it's not the best commission rate. However, since Walmart's such a trusted brand, people will be likely to buy if they're easy. So you could make a lot of commission just from volume. And you can learn a bit more about it down here. So how are the commissions paid? Commissions are paid on a monthly net sales and do not include returns, sales tax, or shipping and handling. And you can track the sales and commissions on the Impact Radius interface. So once you have actually signed up, you will get access to that interface and you'll be able to see all your sales and clicks and all the analytics that you need to know. So that's exactly how you can sign up for Walmart's affiliate program. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.